Here's this old truck trying to get on the road again. It's been sitting up a few years. '79 short wheelbase. It's lowered a little bit. Got a cow induction hood. Bunch of shit in the back. Pretty nice little truck when I get done with it. Trying to build it out of shit that's just sitting around here in the yard. Transmission's the only thing I've bought so far. Gonna see if I can get it on the road. See what happens. Calling it Project Spare Parts. Got an old ass motor over there out of the trailer. Tore it down. Put some good heads on it. New cam. A good new used cam anyways. Ought to run on pretty good. Well, this is it. I don't need to mess with it. I need to be working on this thing. Got to get some primer on it this weekend. But I need something to drive. I'm going to drive this every day. Well, here you go. We'll see.